Hello, today we're going to start looking at some word problems that all involve either addition and subtraction. As always, you can use Desmos or whatever calculator you'd like to do your calculations. Key thing here is going to be to figure out what operation you need to do with the numbers in the problem. Dora got $325 from her father and $289 from her mother. How much money does she now have in total? So in total is our key phrase here. In total means that we need to add the dollar amounts together. So we're thinking 325 plus 289. You're welcome to do that by hand in your head with a calculator, whatever works for you. I'm just using Desmos. When we do that, we get 614. And 614 what? It's how much money? $614 is our answer here. A lot of times when you go do your assignments in Canvas, I'll just be asking you for the number amount. So I'll either provide the dollar sign for you or tell you not to write units or something like that. But it's a good idea just for practice to know what unit you're dealing with for your answers. Next up, a movie rental shop has 5,416 old DVDs and 6,896 new DVDs. What is the total number of DVDs in the shop? Once again, this is total, which means we need to add the new DVDs and the old DVDs together. We can use Desmos for that. Remember to click down into the next space to do your next problem. And when we add those all together, we get 12,312 for our answer. And just for practice with units, it's 12,312 DVDs. Next problem. A shopkeeper bought 240 eggs and sold 148 eggs. How many eggs were left unsold? So since they're asking how many eggs were left unsold, we do how many were bought minus how many were sold. He bought 240 eggs and sold 148 eggs. We need to subtract those. You can use a calculator for that if you would like. And we end up with 92. 92 what? 92 eggs that were unsold. Last but not least, Kathy needs at least 2,000 points to go to level 2 in a video game. She only has 1,254 points in level 1. How many more points does she need to qualify for level 2? Whenever you're being asked how many more, that's asking for the difference, which is once again subtraction. So we're going to do 2,000, how many points she needs, minus how many points she has right now, 1,254, to figure out how many more she needs to qualify. Once again, we can use Desmos for our calculation. And I didn't type that in correctly, so I got a negative number. So let's fix that mistake there. 2,000 minus 1,254 is 746 more points that she needs. So again, should be pretty easy. Biggest key thing is to make sure you know what operation you need to do with your numbers. That is it for today. Have a fantastic day.